Is Jocelyn awake?
Ting tong
Hey,
ting.
baby girl.
Look at the camera.
Jocelyn. Hi, baby. Oh.
You start all that crying.
See, finally, I'm awake and I can eat now. Maybe we will eat. Say hi, world.
We ain't having all that crying.
No, she's happy. Hi, baby girl. Oh. Oh.
She's trying to arm wrestle me. She get that grip.
She's gonna win.
Oh.
Say hi, grandparents and aunts and my Uncle Wesley.
She won't let go of that grip, baby.
Oh.
What's your other hand doing, baby? Oof.
See, Daddy's not as strong as he thinks he is.
I'm stronger than Daddy already.
Mm-hmm.
What's your other
Oh,
hand
she's
doing?
sucking on her hand. I think I should feed her now. She's slouched. Fix her. Oh! Oh! Time to eat. Okay, bye.